Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel, and this time we are back in the kitchen making Nando's rotisserie chicken.
Oh yeah, rotisserie chicken. Woo woo!
So it's pretty easy. I marinated my chicken the night before, the longer the better. So I just used the Nandos sauce, which was the star of the show, and just added a little bit of spices and pepper just to add to it. You need a citrus and onion just to stuff your chicken. You can use a lime, a lemon, oranges, whatever you would like. Air fryer, and the attachment for the rotisserie. Again, if you don't have an air fryer, I'm sure you can use an oven or grill or something. I think the key thing is just this bad boy right here, that Nando sauce.
Yes, Nando sauce. This is gonna be the spicy one. I would prefer anyone with lemon herb and lemon pepper.
Yeah, it comes in a variety of flavors. You can get it at your grocery store or at the Nando's restaurants. We use basil. You can use dry ones if you would like, but I like to use the paste or the fresh ones. So for this, we had to find a little bit of an alternative. We had to use kitchen twine, but we didn't have any, so I used floss. But you just want to make sure you use something that won't burn in the oven.
For me, the star of the show is the air fryer, because you're gonna see how this chicken will turn out.
Oh yeah,
it's gonna turn out real well, just in case.
Yeah, so definitely, again, marinating it for as long as you can. I did mine the night before. You want to make sure, like you saw, you get like all in under the skin to get your seasonings, and just so it's not like tasteless on the inside. Again, just using the floss in our case, or if you can find kitchen twine, that is recommended. You just want to tie all the pieces together so as it's rotating in the air fryer, it doesn't fall apart.
Alright, so after you got your chicken ready, you want to put it to this paste. This enables the chicken to rotate. As you're going to see in the video, the chicken is going to be spinning using this tool that we have here.
You want to make sure, if you have an air fryer that has this, to get it as secure as possible, because you could risk your chicken like falling off or not rotating properly. I kind of struggled a little bit with it, but you definitely just want to make sure you kind of shove it in there.
Yes, we are. Now we are ready to put it in the air fryer.
So ours came with a little attachment. Of course, I mean, to put it in, not so much, but it will make more sense when it's hot, taking it out. You have that little attachment just to kind of lift it. But we were really excited about this. This air fryer seems to do a whole lot, and we can't wait to like try more things. So this particular one can hold up to a 4-pound chicken. This chicken that I got was about 3 pounds or a little under that. So they claim it can hold up to a 4-pound chicken. We did it for 45 minutes and 380 degrees.
Now you can see how that chicken is rotating. Oh man, I am just loving seeing this chicken turn around. Oh man, I feel like just taking some of those wings out, but I'm gonna have to wait for this to cook out. And here we are.
Halfway through, I took it out just to kind of put some more Nando sauce on it. Again, this is optional, but I definitely wanted just to get an extra coating of the sauce on there. And please be careful, because the little prongs were really hot. For a brief moment, I forgot and burnt my fingers.
Oh, man. Well,
but you definitely want to be careful when you're handling it in this stage and rotating it.
A brush would be most preferable for you when doing this. If you don't have a brush, then you might want to use something else. But a brush is best for you to do this.
These were the final moments before it was nice and done. As you can see, it's golden brown and nice. The skin was so crispy.
And voila. Rotisserie chicken.
Yes, prongs. And again, please just make sure you wait till it cools down to take the prongs out. And yeah, that is it.
Here we are. How to make rotisserie chicken
with an air fryer.
with an air fryer.
Yep, it was really easy. I literally just put it in there and just went to go watch TV, and it was doing its thing. You get the moisture on the inside. When we cut it open, it was amazing. Sorry we didn't get that on camera. But yeah, thank you for watching. Check out the rest of our videos. Please subscribe, like, comment, and we will see you in our next video.
Yes, we are. Goodbye.